This is it, guys. Welcome to Singapore. Alright guys, just got myself SIM card, just go to the money changer. This is for everyone the same, no matter, this is not like in Bali, it's so convenient. I got also SIM card for 32 Singaporean dollar for 12 days, 100 GB and so on, even roaming 3 GB if you're going somewhere to Australia or something. So yeah, now I'm gonna go to Jewel, and actually I just realized this Jewel is just behind me, because I arrived today on the Terminal 1 because I fly by Scoot, but if you fly by AirAsia or something like that, usually you will arrive at Terminal 4 or 3, something like that. So I'm so happy. I'm gonna explore a little bit. I also have to upload the video, and it's so easy, everything here, like you know, visa and everything. That was like before, like 2 years ago, literally totally no problems at all. Big thumb up Singapore for doing this so easy, guys. You just leave Terminal 1 and here we go, it's beautiful wall with plants, and well, Jewel, here we go, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Jewel Changi Airport in Singapore, probably the most characteristic place nowadays in Singapore, because it's close to the airport. Actually, it's just outside Terminal 1, and it's just amazing and spectacular, guys. Check this out. I'm gonna show you around, and I'm gonna talk a few words about the Changi Airport in Singapore. But first of all, before I'm gonna show you the full Jewel terminal, which is of course the big huge mall, I'm gonna have a coffee in the Starbucks Reserve, because I need to upload the video of what you see yesterday. Alright guys, I'm just starting my Singapore adventure with Starbucks. Meanwhile, situation in Starbucks Reserve looks like this, pretty nice. Internet just in the airport is much better, way better than in Bali. And this is the rooftop, like, I mean, the top floor of the Changi Jewel terminal, but with the roof, obviously, and you can overlooking the beautiful waterfall, and there is also train over there time to time. I'm gonna show you around what you can find here, because on the top floor is so many attractions what you can enjoy. And this is closed building, but check this out, how many green plants and trees and everything is around. That's unbelievable. And they are plants like up to the roof. Anyways, while watching this one, there is one of the attraction, it's called Canopy Bridge. You can walk there. I think it's the glass floor. There are so many restaurants where you could enjoy the drink and or lunch or whatever, and so many attractions actually everywhere around. And I'm gonna show you, this is like a ticketing boxing, and there are attractions with the prices. Also little view from the different perspective, and I'm gonna go down there. And there is also so many attractions for the kids, like you have stuff like this, and also so many people making pictures around, and you can climb on the top of it. Meanwhile, when you go down from the top floor is the huge Nike shop and even bigger Apple store with the 2 floors. So technically you can see so many people from all around the world, mostly people who are having a transit in Changi Airport in Singapore, but also it's open to anyone. It's open to the Singaporean people, it's public access, and it's open 24/7. I also gonna come here at night when it's like a light festival or something like that. Never saw it, to be honest. There's also like a luggage storage, so you can drop your bags and explore around very quickly, very easily. It's just, everything is just next to the Terminal 1, but also if you land in Terminal 2, 3 or 4, you can come here by the train, and it's just simply very easy access. And it's like, I think 4 or 5 floors, and there is open mall, so you can shop there and enjoying your time. It's so many cafes, so many shops, and it's open 24/7, like I mentioned already. There are also some little waterfalls falling down. Singapore is very popular for the stuff like this. And down there the water is going somewhere and then it's arriving upstairs again. Also interesting fact is so many tourists already in Singapore from all around the world. So it's cool. Oh, there is like a little even bamboo forest. Actually, I never been here. I mean, I don't remember this with the little pandas. So cool. Not mention about this little cool cleaning robot in Singapore. So cool. So I passed the bamboo forest there with the little pandas. There is already more. and from the other side you have a baggage storage, so you can store your luggage. Also in this airport is everything so extremely clear. You can see the signs where to go there. This is the Terminal 1, when it's actually just the immigration over there. So you just leave and you have a Jewel. You can go back if you fly away somewhere. And if you want a baggage storage or something, everything is here, and we're gonna go down up a little bit. Earlier I just had a coffee here in Starbucks Reserve, but anyway, there are so many restaurants everywhere around, so many shops everywhere around. It's like a huge modern mall, but it's between all the terminals. I don't know if I mentioned already that, but on the other side is Terminal 3. You do the 360 and it's a Jewel over there. And Singapore Airport have 4 terminals. Jewel is number 5, which is actually in the middle. And the Terminal 5 is under construction, so in the next few years there will be another terminal. It's definitely one of the best airports in the world, guys. So in Singapore right now it's like that. If you're outdoors, you don't have to wear a mask, and this is officially approved by the government. However, if you're in closed area like in the airport, in the MRT or somewhere, you have to. But that's changing all the time. And this is the Changi Jewel from outside, and this is terminal, I don't sure actually 1 or number 3, because the Jewel is just actually this circle Jewel terminal is just in the between all of the terminals. So that's pretty cool. Also very important, if you're entering the malls or stuff like this, some hotels, you have to scan the app, which is called Trace app. It's already on your phone, and you have something like that, and you just show to the lovely officer over there, and it's alright, should be alright. Thank you. And it's pretty alright, like this. Boop, boop, done. And there are obviously so many travelers around. There are so many shops. Also shops, cafes, restaurants. Everywhere is the view like this one. In Singapore there is even Pokemon shop, official shop with the accessories for the fans if you're interested, and looks super cool actually. And there is also so many cafes like this one with the view of the waterfall Jewel. I think it's Japanese actually at the moment. So to get to the MRT, you have to take a link bridge to Terminal 3-4. So the bridge looks like this. This is air conditioner bridge, and you just actually walk between terminals. Terminal 1, 2, and 3 around like this. And Jewel looks like this actually. And there is the control tower. And then when you arrive to the Terminal 3, you just simply follow the signs, train to the city. And simply train to the city is just next to the Starbucks departure hall in Terminal 3, and it's also working the same way. If you want to go to Jewel, there is the sign to go to Jewel. I will zoom it a little bit for you. I forgot to film this, but the best way to commute in Singapore is something like that, Singapore Tourist Pass Plus. I paid $38 for this, and you can drive MRT, LRT and the bus unlimited for 3 days. It's cost you $38. It's easy to buy where is MRT station. And meanwhile you go down there to the MRT stations, and it looks like this. You can also buy ticket, but it's basically prepaid, so it's simply easy to go. You just take this one, swap and go. And then from Changi Airport you go to Tanah Merah, and from Tanah Merah you can go wherever you like in Singapore. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how does it look $100 Singaporean dollars hotel in Singapore. I got a little bit upgrade. This is actually room for 3 people with the very nice view overlooking the river in Singapore. But what is more important for me is that as is underneath the hotel there is an MRT station, metro station, Lavender, only 3-4 stations going to the city center, so it's very convenient. And down there it's also McDonald's and many other hawker centers. I mean, so many shops, you can buy the food, also the mini market and stuff like this. So you just go down and you can get wherever you want in Singapore. So it's very convenient, and it's cost you $100 Singaporean. Also very interesting fact, this hotel right now is fully booked. So I wanted to extend my stay. Unfortunately, there is no free rooms. So that means Singapore is getting to be busy, guys. It's going to be dark, and in 20 minutes it's gonna be special festival, light festival over here. I come back specially to film this. Right guys, it's almost 7:30 and soon gonna be special light festival over here. It's every single day since 7:30 p.m. up to 12:30 a.m. So whenever you have a time you can come and enjoy, and I'm gonna show you how does it look like. And to be honest, I was many times in Singapore but never been here at night, so I'm so excited for that. my first day in Singapore. I hope so you enjoyed. There will be much more to come. I'm gonna stay in Singapore for a few days, so I hope so you enjoy the next videos. I'm a little bit tired, I have to take a rest. I will see you tomorrow on next one. Thank you so much guys, and see you tomorrow. See ya, take care.